Attention, attention, this is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 12:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, unidentified human figures have been reported in the state of Iowa. These figures look very human-like. All residents of the state of Iowa are asked to remain in your homes. Do not attempt to leave your home unless you have a valid excuse. The emergency alert system has been activated. We are here to keep you informed. Attention, this is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. These are very hellish creatures. They are against people with autism and they are humans, but they do not have it. It seems like they are here to take control of the United States and kill all of us with autism. This is a state of emergency in the state of Iowa. With us are being asked to kill the creatures. They have the ability to control people and kill them. If you see one of these creatures, do not make eye contact with them, as you can be killed. All residents of the state of Iowa are asked to go to the lowest floor of your building. Go into a basement. If no basement is available, go into a closet or a bathroom. Do not attempt to leave your shelter until the all clear has been given. For those of you driving, go to the nearest hurricane shelter, as you will be protected from these creatures. Attention, this is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The creatures have spread it all over the United States. All residents are asked to go to the lowest floor of the building until the all clear is given. Let's just hope we make it through this. May God bless you all.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maryland State Police Department and the Department of Paranormal Research in conjunction with the Department of Emergency Management. The shadow-like creatures are attempting to hack into the emergency alert system. For the next hour, we will be going off the air. Please listen to any other news outlets for more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of you. Yes, you. All of you humans. Your time has come. You all think that you're the superior to all other beings in the world. No. You're all wrong. We were here before you. And even yet, you all have a hunter's instinct to enjoy the pain of others, even their deaths. You're all no better than sin itself. And for those even lucky enough to escape us, you will still perish. So don't keep the devil waiting. You will be punished, tortured, and live the rest of eternity in hell.
We interrupt regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Bureau of Investigation in conjunction with the Department of Paranormal Research. The shadow creatures were still able to broadcast a haunting message even though the emergency alert system was off air an hour earlier. Don't believe what the creatures have told you. Also, the creatures have spread it all across the United States of America. Everyone is asked to shelter in place. To shelter in place, you must go down to the basement of your home or lowest point of the building you're in. If you're not in a shelter, all clear. Repeating. All clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The shadow creatures have all disappeared around 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is unknown why at this time. However, it is now safe to exit your shelters. If you're not home yet, you are being asked to go home, and everyone in the United States will have the rest of today and tomorrow off work and school. Do not worry though, everyone will still have working internet for online video games, online videos, and social media. Also, you will all still have access to cable TV and satellite